Little old twins. What's the matter with you? You look like dying ducks. We don't want to be sold, said Peter Sam miserably. Sold? The driver was surprised. Who to? To those people who came and talked about taking things. You silly little engine, laughed his driver. They're not going to buy us. They're going to take our pictures on television. And he tried to explain what that meant. Not going to be sold, not going to be sold, sang Peter Sam. He could hardly wait to tell the others. He told them about the television as well. And they were pleased and excited too. All except Sir Handel. I don't hold with it, he grumbled. Vulgar, I call it. Fancy traipsing about making an exhibition of yourselves. I won't do it, I tell you. Telly something, indeed. Just let the Thin Controller come here, I'll tell him something. Scarlet said nothing. The next day, when the Thin Controller did come to explain about the television, Sir Handel kept strangely quiet.